Okay, what is going on? So this is going to be a video on setting up a Telegram bot for the Flipper Blackhat. So there's quite a few scripts like Evil Portal, Evil Twin, all these different things, and I'm gonna be eventually moving all of these to be able to support writing data to a file, printing it out on the screen normally, and then additionally being able to send to Telegram as well. And I'm going to demo that right now. So the very first thing we have to do is make a Telegram bot. So we want to go to web.telegram.org and sign in with our phone, like you download the app and then do the QR code scanning thing. And you want to find a account called @botfather. And you're going to issue the command new bot name. So I'm going to call it Botty Flipper Blackhat bot. Okay, so now what this is going to do is give me a HTTP API token, and we should be able to click this, and we can now see body, so I can send it a command. Start, I don't know if that's actually required, but say something. You need to say something to it, because when you go to check this API, the next thing we're going to do is grab this URL here, put this in here, and then take this token and replace that with that. Sometimes potentially you have to interact with a little bit more just to, yeah. So the one thing that you want to take here is the chat ID. So that's this number. Okay, so the file that we want to, so we can use there's a few ways to now modify your file. You can take out the SD card, put it in your computer, modify the fields. You can modify the fields from VI or Nano or whatever you want to do on the Blackhat itself, or you can use the Blackhat app. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit the file here. So mount blackhat.config. So chat ID, that's the ID that you got from this page here. HTTP API, you're going to put that in here, that's the token. We're going to write and quit this file. So if I say Blackhat git, you should see something like this. So you have your standard stuff, and then now there's this new field called Telegram credentials that has the Telegram credentials. This part is totally optional. I just want to show it for simplicity. So if you run Python, you can import Telegram now, which is a simple little library that I wrote, and I can say t equals Telegram, and you give it the name of the folder. Sorry, not the folder, the name of the configuration file. Totally working out. Okay, so from Telegram import Telegram capital T. This Python stuff isn't necessary for the setup. I'm just showing you for if you want to write your own scripts and stuff. But if this is confusing you, just ignore it. Oh my goodness. So now we have the Telegram object. We can now call the send function, super easy, hello from Python. Okay, so we're not connected to the internet, so I'm going to do Blackhat Wi-Fi connect, Blackhat Wi-Fi con. It wants a Blackhat Wi-Fi connect WLAN 0. I'm going to ping Google to make sure. Bad address. This needs some time to fully connect. Okay, so we are connected to the internet now. I'm going to go ahead and go back to Python. So from Telegram, import Telegram, capital T, create the object, and that send should now work. And I even have a little notification. And this is obviously will show up on your phone as well. So as I go to the Telegram app, I now see hello from Python there. So generally speaking, this is like 3 lines of code and how you, if you want to communicate from your Blackhat scripts to Telegram, this is the way to do it. Yeah. Okay, so now, as far as, so you don't have to do the Python stuff if you don't know anything about that. But now we are configured. I'm actually going to go ahead and unplug this. And I'm going to go to the Flipper Blackhat app. So under apps, GPIO, Flipper Blackhat. So this should seem familiar to you. I'm going to go to the Start Evil portal. Okay. So that looks like it did its thing. Evil portal should be running. I'm going to now connect to the Wi-Fi. Flipper Wi-Fi. So now this is giving me my sign into network prompt. And I'm going to go ahead and enter some junk here. So I'm going to say my username, my password, hit the get hacked button, and then we can see that we have a login attempt from Botty. Obviously this is already on my phone. So cool, thank you for watching. I hope this video was short and informative. How to set up Telegram. Ciao.